Have you ever wondered what would happen if you incorporated squats into your daily routine? Well, today we're going to answer that question by looking at what happens if you squat every day for 30 days and how it will affect your body. Squats are one of the most fundamental exercises, targeting various muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even the core. These muscles work together to stabilize your body and execute the movement, leading to improvements in strength, muscle tone, and overall fitness. Over the course of 30 days, consistent squatting can lead to various physiological changes in the body. Firstly, there's an increase in muscle mass and strength as a result of the repeated resistance placed on the muscles during the exercise. The repeated stress placed on your muscles during squats triggers a process known as muscle hypertrophy. This involves the enlargement of individual muscle fibers, leading to an increase in muscle size and strength. The increase in muscle mass resulting from daily squatting not only enhances your physical appearance, but also contributes to a higher metabolic rate. This means that your body burns more calories at rest, potentially leading to fat loss and improved body composition. Moreover, consistent squatting stimulates the release of various hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones play crucial roles in muscle repair, regeneration, and overall growth. Over time, this can translate into improved performance in various activities of daily living and reduced risk of injuries. However, it's essential to approach daily squatting with caution. Overtraining or improper technique can lead to muscle imbalances, joint strain, and other injuries. Always listen to your body and adjust your intensity and volume accordingly. We hope you enjoyed that video. Let us know in the comments if you plan to try this out and how it works out for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.